Julia, Victoria, and Carly performing a skit called The Superstition is Always Right.
On a peaceful sunny day, some people were playing in a park. Hey look, I found a penny! The sign was up. Oh, why? Don't you know you can only take up a penny if the head is up? If it's tails, you'll get bad luck.
Oh, that's just a superstition.
She goes home feeling slightly dazed.
Oh, let's see, I better do my homework. Oh no, I forgot my math. I'll do my spelling first. Ouch, the bad luck is working. I'm getting superstitious.
On the next day at the park, you stepped on a crack. Don't you know that if you step on a crack, you break your mommy's back?
Oh, who cares?
She goes home feeling slightly dazed.
I'm sorry, honey, I can't play with you today. I broke my back.
Gosh, Mother! On the next day at the park, you walked under a ladder. Don't you know that if you walk under a ladder, you'll get 7 years of bad luck?
Oh, who cares? It's just a superstition.
She goes home feeling slightly dazed.
Let's see. I'll go water my plants now. Oh no, there's no water in the watering can. I'll see if there's water in the watering can. There's no water in the hose either.